my name is Noelle Copeland. I'm a dental hygienist and educator for Brilliant Oral Care. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, how do I use a round toothbrush? So we decided to develop our Brilliant Brushing Guide to explain that for you step by step. You can get a copy of that guide at brilliantoralcare.com, but I also thought it would be fun to show you. Unlike ordinary flat, one-sided toothbrushes, Brilliant brushes address multiple surfaces at once, reaching the tooth, the gums, the cheek, and the tongue simultaneously. Start by wetting the brush with a little bit of warm water. This makes the bristles nice and soft. Then, if you would like, you can choose to use a little bit of paste or gel. Then put the brush in the mouth. Using small back and forth strokes, brush 1 to 2 teeth at a time. Follow this pattern throughout the whole mouth, being sure to reach every tooth surface, the front, the back, the sides. When you get to the front teeth, invert the brush vertically. This allows you to reach the back side of the front teeth the most effectively. When finished, rinse thoroughly. If any residue or debris has been trapped in the bristles, use a clean thumb and apply just a little bit of pressure to the brush head. Be sure to thoroughly air dry, preferably up and away from the potential contamination hazards in the bathroom. Underneath the sink or up in a cabinet work really well. Always directly supervise brushing for children. This means that you're performing all, if not most, of the oral care for them. Direct supervision means that you have eyes on them at all times. This helps prevent children from accidentally hurting themselves from possibly biting, chewing, or gnawing on a toothbrush. Bristle toothbrushes should never be chewed or teethed on. The bristles can pierce the gum and cause painful ulcerations. Can also damage the teeth and damage or break the toothbrush. Direct supervision is required. If a child is unable to resist the urge to chew excessively on a brush, the next best recourse is to switch them to a chewable silicone-based toothbrush. As a rule to follow, if any person can't successfully tie their own shoes, they lack the needed dexterity that's required to effectively brush their own teeth. Therefore, they will require direct supervision and help. For older children who have grasped their own independent oral care routine, indirect supervision is appropriate, but supervision is still required. Indirect supervision is when they are doing their own oral care and you are checking them for accuracy. A lot of times, older kids will rush through their brushing routine and miss the same spots. Be sure to check their tongue for any discolorations and also look up underneath the lip, right at the gum line. These are areas that are frequently missed by older kids. Be sure to make them committed to doing the brushing routine for 2 minutes. Set a timer, check them when they're done, and if for some reason they haven't gotten all the areas of the mouth, make them do the 2 minutes all over again. If you have any questions or particular challenges, reach out to me at the link below. I'm not only here to answer questions about our Brilliant products, but oral care in general.